Hi, Namaskaram, Radhe Radhe. Let's talk about mastering the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, a comprehensive guide for traders. This is basically, if you see this one, just look at this one once. Before that, we'll go into more details. But before that, read this disclaimer and then move on. Candlesticks, clearly I have explained in other videos. Go through that, all this part. And yes, a reversal pattern, bullish engulfing is nothing but a reversal pattern, two candles formation, bullish market sentiment. We see here technically engulfed. If you see, it has engulfed the entire pattern. What the earlier day it has created is the day 1, and day 2 is this one. Day 2 closing has clearly signified here it has engulfed everything, the red with a green thing. So day 2 is higher than the open of a day 1. Basically it has opened here, it went here, close, and that's why it's a red candle. You can see it in another example here. So this is a bullish engulfing pattern. You can see it completely it engulfed the earlier one. So I'll show you one more thing. Read this one. This is how you have to characterize or understand what is a bullish engulfing, and these are the target, all those things. Pattern anatomy, I have already said you. It engulfs everything here. I'll show you a real life example. See, it has engulfed almost like, maybe this wick you can remove it, but it has engulfed entire body, and then it moved like anything from almost like 10% return it has given. The same thing if you see in another example, this also it has engulfed a lot. I think engulfing has happened. I can't say this is an engulfing, but this is an engulfing, and after this engulf, bullish engulfing, and the stock has moved up. So these are the examples I have shown you, but go ahead and do your own identification and find out the open price, close price, and relationship. But another thing I would like to say is practice is progress. So recognize, you do your own journal and all those stuff, and then you do it. If you want, you can join other courses where you can see how we actually do a live trading and all those things. Significance of bullish engulfing candle, this is how it is. Read them. Interpreting the psychological implication, bullish sentiment, reversal of the trend, emotional trigger, these are very, very important. How are you being emotionally triggered because you like that stock, or you feel like sentiments in markets? Markets being very risky asset class, don't have a sentiments. Always try to whenever you're trading, make sure you have an edge. What is that edge is, you have to define it. I don't know, everyone have their own edges, but everyone is different, so define your own edge. Bullish engulfing pattern, confirming the bullish engulfing candlesticks. Look for confirming signal, analyze the market contract, validate the with other indicators. Entry strategies for bullish engulfing pattern, confirm the entry and pullback entry. These are very important. Defining stop loss and take profit levels, very important. NF is a good word in stock markets. When you have good profits, take them off. Stop loss is also very important if you are in a trader kind of thing. If you're an investor, ETFs averaging is good rather than I would in exchange traded funds. Exchange is basically a reflection of the country's economy, so it is good that you can averages, but also do averages. You know when should you average. I think I will do when maybe I will tell you right away, but it's 10-year average line, 5-year average line, 2-year average line, 3-year, but drawing that I will show you. I think combining patterns you have seen here. This is also backtesting effectiveness, you have seen this. And applying bullish engulfing pattern is different in different markets, so understand how to do this one. Forex it's different, stock trading is different, crypto it is different. How, when I say it's different, how the market behaves when you practice with that respect to asset class for a longer time, then you can really understand how that asset class is performing using the same, in this case, bullish engulfing pattern. Then you can see how things are happening. Case studies, practice is progress. Just practice as much as possible. All that makes the difference. Thank you for your time, and have a good day. If you really want my services, portfolio services, there is a link below. You can use that. If you want to buy books written by me or other or good authors, their link is given below. You can use that link. Thank you. Bye all.